Hi, this is Brett, and my website is hypnoticsaleusa.com. And it's going to be that time of year we're all making resolutions to make our lives better. And I've got something I'd love to talk with you about. So a seminar coming up in San Diego, January 11th, 12th, and 13th, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, with Marshall Silver. I have 3 tickets for $500 a piece, and after those are sold, I've already done one of the 4. So after those are sold, they're going to be $1,000 a piece. So the main focus for me is on sales, but you can use this in any application of anything you want to in your life. If you want to be irresistible, if you want to be dynamic, if you want to be unstoppable, this is the program that you need. It's all positive affirmations, and the way that this is implemented is by a professional that's been doing this for his entire career since he was a kid, for well over 30 years. So you can't beat that. So I'm going to post the information about this, where to get the tickets at, and I'd just love to see you there. I'm going to be there full force and going at this all the time. So I've been looking for this for over 40 years. I saw a hypnotist do a show years ago at the Camp Pendleton Marine Corps base years ago, back when I was a teenager. And I've been looking for this program that Marshall has ever since then. So I hope that you could see the advantages that I see, and I want to see you there at the seminar. Okay? January 11th, 12th, and 13th on a Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Peace out.